A teenager from Carbon County has become the face of a viral video online.
Turns out she and her parents have a little history with us here at the news station. Earlier this evening, Newswatch 16's Peggy Lee spoke with Kylie Holman about her up-close and personal encounter with a seagull.
This is the video that is blowing up the viral universe. 13-year-old Kylie Holman from Carbon County and her friend, 14-year-old Georgia Reed from Luzerne County, were on the spring shot ride in Wildwood, New Jersey, when just moments after they're released into the air, this happened. Yes, take another look. That is a seagull that flies into her face. We spoke to Kylie and Georgia at Kylie's home near Weatherly about the experience.
When we got shot up, I saw it, and it was going the opposite direction and then turned around and came right into my face.
Kylie grabs the gull and pulls it off her, and the bird flies away. You can hear her trying to tell her friend what happened, but between the rushing wind and her friend's screams, neither girl could hear what the other is saying. Since Kylie was with Georgia's family for her friend's 14th birthday, she phoned home to tell Mom and Dad about her seagull encounter.
I called my mom and I was trying to tell her, but I couldn't stop laughing, and she thought I was saying a beagle was on me.
Kylie's mom and dad are Kelly and Kyle Holman, and those names might sound familiar to Newswatch 16 viewers. Kelly and Kyle were actually married right here in our backyard in April 2011 in an unroyal wedding ceremony to rival the royal wedding of William and Kate 10 years ago. Newswatch 16 revisited the couple 4 years after their wedding and once again this April. Our viewers watched their daughter grow up from 3 years old, then 7, and now when she's about to turn 14. And just like the royal couple, the Holmans are all still together with plenty of pets. Just no seagulls, of course.
No, seagulls are annoying.
Oh, and as for the spring shot, both Kylie and Georgia say thrill seekers should try it when visiting Wildwood. Just watch for the seagulls. Peggy Lee, Newswatch 16, Carbon County.
Unbelievable.